Singing while doing my makeup is my kind of vibe. Anyways, let's move on with skincare. This is very basic and will give your makeup a base to look natural and healthy. Now, I have dry skin and I don't use primer, but I'm a sucker for illuminators and skin tints. But I didn't enjoy this one. It peeled on my skin and I didn't like the shimmery particles on my skin, but I quite like this skin tint from the same brand. It gave me a very natural dewy finish. The shade match was bang on, and love the fact that it didn't oxidize on my skin, so a yay from my end. Now if I have to recommend one concealer, it would be this one. While it sits on my skin, I'll just do my brows in between. You will see the kind of coverage this concealer will give. It's so good. It's a semi matte finish. And let's set everything and move on with blush. Even after layering this blush, it was not that pigmented. I mean, it's good for natural looks. Then I'll just set the areas that tends to get oily, and you will use a bronzer for that minimal eye look and will enhance my features with the same bronzer. Well, highlighting my eyes with the same brow pencil is a very nice hack I've learned, and I like to take my sweet little time with the mascara because it's one of the important step. Now you can wear any lip shade that you feel like wearing, if even if it's a red. I mean, why not? And yeah, that is all. Always create looks that will scream your personality. Bye.